What's that, sorry? Oh. Sorry, I didn't realise you were interviewing me. What was the question, sorry? What's it like to be the most... What's that? Oh, my reaction to being the newest sensation on YouTube. Well, it's pretty good. Is it on? Is it working? Okay. Might have headshot, you say. Oh, well. No. Don't want to shock the world with my pretty face, you know, so... what was the question you were asking? How does it feel to be the new biggest sensation on YouTube? Well, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Thanks. You want to do 3 takes for the one question? What was wrong with my first 2 answers? What am I doing with my life? Don't know.